Eureka, 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 Eureka!
I got it!
Welcome to Eureka Publication Private Limited, creators of engaging textbooks and digital learning tools. Let's dive right in.
Welcome! Today we will build an intuition for Newton's first law of motion. Newton's first law says that an object will stay at rest, or keep moving in a straight line at the same speed, unless an unbalanced force acts on it. In other words, things do not start or stop moving on their own. They need a push or a pull. When the sum of forces is zero, the motion does not change. Here is what you need to explore this idea. A football or soccer ball, a bus or car, wheel that can spin freely, a model or toy bus on a road for a turning example, and a flat, smooth surface. Activity A. Passing a football on the ground. Gently push the football in a straight line and watch it. It keeps moving, but eventually it slows down and stops. Why? Because friction from the ground and air acts opposite the motion. If you try to stop it with your hand, you are applying a force to. Activity B. Driving a bus on a winding road. When the bus turns, it tends to keep going straight unless a force acts. That force comes from steering and from the friction of the tires. When you apply the brakes, friction helps slow the bus. What happens and why? 1. Objects do not change their motion by themselves. 2. They need a force to start, stop, or change direction. 3. The more mass an object has, the harder it is to change its motion. This resistance to change in motion is called inertia. Let us see inertia with a side-by-side comparison. These two carts get the same push for the same time. The lighter cart speeds up more and travels farther. The heavier cart speeds up less, so it moves less. Conclusion: heavier objects have more inertia and are harder to start or stop. Forces like friction, pushes, pulls, and brakes are needed to change motion. Newton's first law explains why objects keep moving unless something makes them change.
This session was brought to you by Eureka Publication Private Limited. Think it, dream it, do it. Join us for the next lesson. Till then, like, subscribe, and share. Eureka Digital Publications, creators of trusted textbooks and digital learning tools.